Alright folks, I done bought something new. And when I say new, it's really new. This is the first new vehicle I have bought since 1999. So it's going to be a surprise coming up soon. Y'all just stay tuned. I didn't think I would like anything new, but let me tell you, that new stuff don't have all the quirks as old one does. I give you a hint, it's not near as powerful as this. I bought it on the showroom with a half a mile on the odometer. Going through the break-in period now, it's going to take forever, but yeah, brand spanking new. I give you a hint, it's not a Honda. But you're going to have to stay tuned next week, figure it out. I should have some videos, at least by next week, I hope. It's hard to say though. Working a full-time job, I don't have as much time to edit stuff as some people. But y'all stay tuned. It's a cool bike, I will say that. And it's blue. I like my blue bikes. Anything but red. One thing about Georgia you gotta love. This is the middle of February and I'm out here riding. But anyway, y'all stay tuned to next week and you'll see what she is.